how to set a WhatsApp profile picture or DP without losing quality. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, go there and search for image quality enhancer. You need to search for this and then you can choose any website from the results. For example, I use this website. Open that website and then click on the upload image option. After that, upload the picture you want to enhance the quality of. First, you need to wait a little while here. The picture will start uploading. After a short wait, the quality of the image will be increased. Then you can download the image in HD by clicking download HD. I just downloaded like this from here. Now why did we do this? Usually the pictures we make for WhatsApp DP have very low quality, which is why we don't get a good result. So first, using this this site, since it's not an app, you need to increase the image quality like this. After that, open your WhatsApp application, click on the three dots, go to settings, and then click on the profile option. Then click on your profile. Next, click on the pencil icon. From there, click on gallery, select the picture whose quality you have enhanced and click done. Your DP will now be set in high quality. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.